Using Trello for YouTube automation workflow is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to create your account on Trello. After this, you can see that there are many options on the left side of the screen. First, we have to create a workspace to start our YouTube automation work. You can also go with existing one, but you can also create a new workspace. And here you have to enter the workspace name. So, I write here YouTube automation. After this, you can set the visibility, and then click on Create button. After this, your workspace will look like this. So this is the dashboard where we are going to set up our work. First of all, you can see that the list name is to do. So we can also delete this and we can also create a new list. But if you want to delete this one, click on 3 dots button and then you can see that archive this list. So it will delete it. You can delete one by one. So let's suppose I want to add new list here. Then click here. Right here YouTube video topics. So these are the topics that I am going to create. And then you can see that you can also add another list. So click on this button. You can write here videos done. These are the videos that are done. And then if you want to add another list, you can create videos in progress like that. So here you can see that there are 3 lists available. And if you want to move one list to another, then just move it right here. You can enter the video title. So I write here top 3 richest person. So it is added. If you want to customize this button, click on this pencil button. And here you have menu option. And if you want to add more editing, click on open card button. And here you can see that it is open. And here you can add the description and tags. And you can also customize the description from bold, italic. So this is all the thing about how you can customize your Trello items. And if you want to again click on this button, you can add label, change number, change cover, move, copy, edit details. So now let's suppose this is your YouTube video topic and it's in progress. So you can move right here. And if it's done, you can move it to in this section. And after this, if you want to create another list, you can create that. Upload it. It means video that is uploaded on YouTube. So you can move this topic to upload this section.